Hello friends, how are you? I hope all of you are very fine. Friends, I am Amar Datta and today I am just going to make a video on a topic states of matter. Actually my channel is experimental channel but on demand of the students I am just going to make this video. Firstly we will discuss matter. What do you understand by matter? Matter is something which occupies space and has mass. Means all the things which are present in our surroundings, those are known as a matter. So this marker is a matter, this ball is a matter, this table is a matter, even air is a matter which cannot be seen by our eyes but we can feel air. So that is also matter. So occupy space means the air also occupies space. The all the substances present in our surrounding, those actually occupy space. What do you understand by mass? Means mass means how much substance is used to make this ball. This is mass of this ball. Means how much atoms are present in this ball, how much particles of the substance is present in this ball, that is the mass of this ball. And mass can be measured in a kg. Means the SI unit of a mass will be kg. Now, I want to tell you that feelings, emotion, thinking, love, these are not matter because they cannot occupy any space and has a mass. All the matters can be classified into three groups on the basis of its physical states, namely solid, liquid and gas. I have drunk water. So here glass is in solid state, water is in a liquid state, and this vacant place actually is not vacant. This is actually filled with air and that is in a gaseous state. Now we'll just compare solid, liquid and gaseous state on the basis of four properties. First one is shape and volume, second one is compressibility, third one is rigid or fluid, and fourth one is filled container completely or not. Firstly we'll discuss solid. Solid has fixed shape and definite volume. Means it occupies definite volume. Means here is a one cube, it is in a solid state. This is a cuboid, this is a sphere and this is a cylinder. Now we can measure the volume by using the formula side cube. This can be measured, volume can be measured by using the length into breadth into height. This will be measured by 4 by 3 pi r cube. This can be measured by pi r square h. But these keys have irregular shape and that's why we can find the volume of these keys by Archimedes displacement technique. We'll just put this keys inside the water and how much water will be displaced by these keys, that will be the volume of these keys. Now we came to know that solid has definite shape as well as volume. Why? The particles of the solids are very closely packed with each other due to the very strong force of attraction among them. There are very less interparticle space among them. Even they actually vibrates, they cannot move here and there. The particles of solids can vibrate at their place or oscillate at their place due to the presence of very less kinetic energy. Next point is compressibility. Can we compress the solid? Answer is no. Why? Because among the particles of solids there are very less interparticles space. Third one is solid is rigid or fluid. So solids are actually in rigid form, they cannot flow. Fourth one, it will fill the container. If I'll just put this solid inside the container, do you think that this will fill the whole container? Answer is no. Now we'll just come to the topic liquid state. Do you think that liquid has definite shape? I want to show you something. If I'll just put this water into the bottle, it will take the shape of the bottle. Now again when you just put it inside the glass, then it will take again the shape of the glass. So liquid hasn't a definite shape, but do you think that it has definite volume? And for this I want to do one experiment. I'll just keep a mark on here. I want to show you. This is the level of water, and when you just keep it inside the bottle, again take out from the bottle into the glass tumbler, the level of water is same. It shows that volume of the liquid cannot change, but shape of the liquid can be changed. Now, can we compress the liquid? And for this I have just taken out one syringe. Now I want to press. You'll see I cannot press it. It shows that water cannot be compressed. A liquid cannot be compressed. Now, next one is, do you think that liquid is rigid or fluid? I want to show you. Liquid is a fluid because it can flow from one container to the another. Next one, do you think that it fills the container completely? Though liquid cannot fill the container completely. You can see here in this bottle I have just put some water, but it has not completely filled this bottle. This part is filled with air. Okay, why this is happening? Why liquid does not change its volume but it changes shape? Actually, the particles of liquids are doing the zigzag motion, means they are continuously in motion. They are moving here and there, and there is less interparticle attraction amongst the particle in comparison to the solid, and there are more interparticle space. The force of attraction amongst the particles of liquids are sufficient to keep the particles inside the fixed volume, and that's why liquids have the definite volume but does not have the or do not have the definite shape, and their kinetic energy are more in comparison to the solid, and that's why they are in continuous motion. Now we'll discuss the topic gaseous state. Okay, first one is shape and volume. Do you think that gas has the definite shape as well as definite volume? Though our answer is no. Gaseous particles are continuously in motion, zigzag motion. They are colliding with each other continuously. They are in motion, and that's why how much air is present in this container. If I'll just put this air in another bigger container, it will occupy the whole space of the container. They haven't a definite shape and volume because there is a negligible force of attraction amongst the particle, and they are very far away from each other, and they are continuously in motion, zigzag motion. They are moving in a here and there. Now gases can be compressed. So I want to show you the experiment with the help of this syringe. Here air is present inside this syringe. I want to compress it. Yes, it can be compressed. You can see. Now again I want to compress. Yes, I can compress. Can you see? Next point. Do you think it is rigid or fluid? It is a fluid because it can flow. When you just run the fan, you can feel the blowing air, so it can flow. So it is a fluid. Next one. Do you think that it will fill container completely? Yes, it can fill the container completely because they haven't a definite volume as well as shape, and their particles are in continuous motion, and they have very high kinetic energy. That's why they are doing the very fast motion. Means within a second particle of gas can be here and can be there. Okay, thank you. If you think that my video is very beneficial for you, you can subscribe my channel, and you can give the like and comment and share my videos. Thank you and have a nice day.